Someone watching. Can I hear it? Hi. I don't know if you can hear me or something. Can you put my microphone up? I'm learning. We'll see. I don't know. I just paint my nails, so I can't. It's like feels weird. Like every time you touch everything, it feels weird. I don't want to ruin my nails. Why is it not on my thing? I'm confused. Audio? Auto? Hi, Jessel TV. Hello. Kamusta? Try lang ako dito kasi hindi ko alam kung paano. Try ko lang dito mag-live. Mas sobrang taas ba ng camera ko? Teka, i-ano natin. Ganyan siguro. Ayun! Yay! Pasensya na sa makalat na ano ha. Makalat na tawag dito, background. So, Oo, hindi ko alam kung paano. Naririnig niyo ba ako? May ano pa ako. Hindi naman siguro to kailangan. Oo, hindi ko alam kung paano mag-live stream dito sa computer. Ano, hindi. Hi, Peter World. Hello. Hindi, ano siya, computer siya. Bihira lang talaga akong mag-live stream dito sa computer kaya hindi ko alam kung paano gawin. So, trinay ko lang siya. Thank you so much for 3 viewers here. Hi, Peter World. Oh, okay. Good. Naririnig mo ako. Hindi ko alam kung gamitin ko ba to. Parang ano lang ignoranteng hindi alam kung anong ginagawa. Thank you so much, Peter Woods and Giselle TV. Thank you for what's that? Why I'm getting message that says this message is held for review. What is that? I'm confused. But anyways, mag-try tayo mag-live stream. Anong oras na? 11 na ng umaga dito. So, kakipaint ko lang ng nails ko. Try ko lang live stream habang, anong tawag dito? Habang pinatutuyo ko yung nail polish ko. Kumusta, Peter Woods? How are you? Trying to learn this computer, whatever I'm using right now. Ano yun? Wait. I'm confused. What is that host? Ano click mo? Haha. Ano yun? Wait. Anong click? Pasensya na ha. Talaga. Halatang hindi nagla-live stream eh. Ano yung ano? Just me, yung Marimar. Natawa naman ako sa sinabi mong just me, yung Marimar. Ngayon ko lang narinig ulit yung words na yan ah. Last time na narinig ko yan sa Pilipinas pa ako. Just me, yung Marimar. Oh, sa laptop. Hindi ko rin alam kasi wala akong laptop. Giselle TV, wala akong laptop kaya have no idea how to do live in laptop. Siguro punta ka lang sa sa channel mo and then click mo yung sa taas ng may option doon ng picture ng video. Tapos click mo yon, may option doon na live stream, upload videos. Kasi ganun din naman ginagawa ko dito sa computer. Siguro parehas lang naman yun ng computer, di ba? Di ba, pumunta ka sa channel mo. And then sa taas, right side, I think, yung may picture na video, yung parang camera video, click mo yon. Siguro may option doon na live stream or upload videos. May isa pang option, nakalimutan ko kung ano yung isang option eh. Try mo yun. Click mo yung picture na video or camera. First time ko tong live eh. Kaya maganda pala mag-live sa computer, no? Kaysa sa camera. Trinay ko lang mag-live, hindi ko nga alam eh. Ko lang, tawag dito. Pinaglaruan ko lang ba kung paano mag-live stream dito. Oo, nakikita ko sarili ko. Oo, nakikita ko yung sarili ko dito sa monitor. Giselle TV. Nakikita ko siya. Try mo yung yung sinabi ko sa iyo. Baka parehas, alam ko parehas lang naman yun ng computer, yung laptop. Punta ka sa taas ng right, may option doon, i-click mo yun. Yun siguro yun. Parehas din naman mag-live stream siguro sa laptop. Try natin mag-live stream. Try natin mag-live stream hanggang anong oras na ba? 11:00 na ng isang oras habang nagpapatuloy ako ng Oo. Try mo i-click yung stream o live stream. Oo, click mo 'yon. Click mo siya kasi gayon din yung ginawa ko, clinic ko lang siya eh. Na-click mo na siya. Thank you sa 2 viewers dito. Hindi ko alam kung Uy, maraming salamat Giselle TV ha. Tingnan ko nga. Uy, hindi pala to yung cellphone ko. Mali pala. Ito pala. Check kita mamaya. Kagigising ko lang. Ako din. Hindi ikaw nag-iisa. Ako din hindi marunong eh. Hindi rin ako marunong. Trinay ko nga lang tong gamitin yung, tawag dito? Yung camera dito, yung check ko nga. Ikaw, Peter, Giselle TV, check ko nga ikaw. Dito na lang ako mag-live stream, no? Yun. Kita ko nga. Check kita, Giselle TV. Kagigising ko lang, nag-try lang akong live stream dito sa computer. Si Bihira ko din, gamitin ba tong Bihira ko siyang gamitin yung itong computer. Ang kalat ng background ko eh, kagigising ko lang kasi eh. Mag-try ka sa cellphone, okay. Sige, try mo sa cellphone mo. Kasi eh. Okay ba yung quality ng sa computer? Parang hindi ko naman kailangan ng Kailangan ko ba ng... I'm confused. Try natin mag-edit ngayon. Ang gulo ng background ko. Try mo na sa CP. Dapat pala inayos ko muna yung yung bed. And, paano ba po 'to paliitin? Kasi ang laki ng ano ko, ng tawag dito, ng picture ba dito. Paano ba 'to paliitin? Tingnan mo, hindi nga ako marunong eh. Try ko lang siya. Hindi ko alam kung paano 'to paliitin. Okay. Try natin. Oh, nasa YouTube Studio ako. Wait, I'm confused. Yan, medyo natutuyo na yung ano ko, yung nails ko. Giselle TV, nandiyan ka pa ba? Nakuha mo na kung paano ah, mag-live? Oh, we got 2 viewers. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, mag-try ka sa cellphone. Hindi ko alam kung kailangan ko ba tong headset na to. Hindi naman naka-on. Ay, naka-on ba? Try natin. Tingnan natin dito. Maliit na. I get 2 viewers. Okay. Kailangan kong tanggalin. What if I put my camera here? Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just learning. I'm just trying to find. Maybe put my camera here. Ah, ang gulo eh. Yun. Ganyan na lang. Para hindi halata. Nasira tuloy yung kuko ko. Gaba natin. Ganyan. Ayaw. Ayaw magano. Ganito na lang. Ganyan na lang. Yan. Medyo okay. Hindi tawag dito. Medyo okay. Hindi halatang makalat. Yan. Oh, my video is so dark. Wala masyadong ilaw dito. Madilim. I need my ring lights. This one is nice. Oh, man. Okay. I need to change. Oops. Pag-charge na siguro ito. Ang hirap man It's hard to touch everything with nail polish that's not dry yet. It's hard. Oh, I got 3 viewers. Thank you. This thing is heavy. Oh. Ah, that's better. That's so much heavier. I'm not gonna use this one. I don't want to get the... Hello, everyone. Mag-try tayo mag-live. Medyo dark dito sa sa spot na to. Hmm. So, Why I hear noise or something? What is that sound? That's weird. Wait, I heard something sounds. Oh, I got 3 viewers. Yay! My video is so dark. I need a little bit lights on my... It's super dark. You can see. Hold on, I'll be back, guys. I need to like find something a little bit lighter lights here. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be back, guys. So may nakita ako. May nakita ko ito. Try natin to kung pwedeng ikabit dito saan. Kasi parang ang dilim eh. Ito, pwede to. Yun. Medyo maliwanag. Yan. Saan ko ba pwede i-clip to? Yun. Medyo maliwanag siya. Oh, di ba? Hanap lang ako na pwedeng i-clip yung camera na. Oh, pwede sa computer ba? Wait. Parang pwede sa computer ito. Yun. Kinabit ko siya sa computer. Pwede naman pala. Wait, tingnan ko kung maliwanag. Or sobrang liwanag kasi dito. Ayun, medyo maliwanag na siya. Tingnan natin. Ah, it's hard. Kinabit ko siya sa screen. Yun, medyo maliwanag na siya ng konti. Madilim pa rin. Tanggalin natin. Ang gulo. Saan ko kaya ito pwede ilagay? Oops. Pwede kaya ilagay ito ikabit sa camera? Maybe? Ganyan? Pwede ba ito ikabit sa camera? Ang gulo. Ang gulo. Pasensya na ha. Nag-experiment tayo dito kung paano ba. Paano ba itong... Ano kasi sobrang dilim. So, itry natin. Siguro ganyan. Ayun. Medyo okay na. Yay! Medyo okay na yung ano natin. Setup natin. Setup down. Kailangan ko ng maliit na ring. Ayun. Medyo ang guloy. Ayun, medyo okay na yung saan ba yung camera ko? Madilim pa rin eh. Madilim pa rin. confused about that. I'm worried about that. But anyways, yun, YouTube. I want to get something.
Like a poof.
I'm trying to do live stream.
Cool.
It's a little bit darker, huh? I don't know why I go to.
You can adjust that in the Logitech settings, but I have to prove I can't do it now.
Yeah, but I try to go to the. Go me to YouTube studio. Is it okay?
Okay, figure it out.
Go, alas 12 na pala. Mhm. Ay, nasira yun. Ah, nasira yung nails ko. Ano ba yun? Hindi pa siya dry. Kapipaint ko lang ng nails ko, nasira agad. Hindi pa siya dry. Oh, whatever. Tingnan mo, kapipaint ko lang, na siya, nasira. Nasira naman. Ano ba yan? So now I have to repaint it again. I don't like that. Oh, it's ugly. It's really ugly. I just painted it. So it look like not dry yet. So, oh, whatever. I ruined it. Ooh. Thank you. Marida Faith. Ikaw ba yan o si mama mo? Kumusta ka na, little girl? Salamat sa pagtams... yes. Oo. Hi. Kamusta? Why is it always this message is held for review? I'm confused about that. Hello? Yun, meron na akong 5 viewers. Try lang mag-live. Anong oras na dyan? Anong oras na dyan? Gabi na, no? Wait. Oo, ngayon lang. Siguro mga 30 minutes na akong nag-live stream. Thank you. Thank you. Nag-try lang ako mag-live stream kasi kapipaint ko lang ng nails ko. So, habang ano pa, tawag dito, basa pa siya. Nasira na nga, oh. Habang basa pa siya, trinay ko lang mag-live stream. Try lang natin mag-live stream. Medyo dark yung ano ko. Uy, mabilis na yung ano, konti na lang, ano na, 1,000 na yung subscriber ni Marid, haha. Malapit na siya. Malapit na siyang maka-reach ng subscribers ni ano. Mag-stop ako ng ano, 12:30. Oh, 1K na? Wow, congratulations. Makang, ang bilis naman, oh. Ako, ang tagal kong ma-reach yung 1K ko. Congratulations. Ako, ang bilis ko talaga. Ay, hindi. Ang bilis naman. Hindi. Matagal akong ma-reach ko yung ano, yung 1K. Okay lang, nakakatuwa lang mag-ano ba? Nakakatuwa mag-YouTube. Marami kang nakikilala. Yung fun part, yung pag-edit ng ano, ng video. Marami kang matututunan ba? Paano mag-edit? Paano mag-add ng transition, ng text, ng mga some pictures, ganon. Wow, ang galing naman ni Marid, ha? Ano na pala siya? Na-reach na yung 1K. Congratulations, baby girl. Ang confused dito sa mga ano na to. Oo, marami kang makikilalang mga friends dito. Sa Malagasan? Anong Malagasan? Ano yung Malagasan? Wait, I'm confused. Ano yung Malagasan? Malagasan. Ano yan? Teka, confused talaga ako kung ano yung Malagasan. Sana di Malagasan. Ano yung Malagasan? Oops, sorry, I hid. Oh, ibasura ni Lolo, tama. Kasi, oo. Minsan, di ba pagka ano, halimbawa, naka 1K ka na, And then minsan bumababa siya. Minsan minsan bumabawas ng ng 1, 2, 3. Ganun yung akin eh. Ngayon, umaga pag-check ko, bumawas ng 2. Ano ba yan? Okay lang. Nabasura ata. Nababawasan yung yung na-spam siguro. Try lang ako pandagdag to sa ko eh. Sa watch hours. Marami pa akong hahabulin. Naman, nasira yung kuko ko. Sayang lang, kapapaint ko pa lang. Repaint ko na lang ulit. May 5 na akong viewers dito. Nakakatamad ngayon, medyo malamig, makulimlim sa labas. Kahapon sobrang init, parang nasa lang ba? Nasa Pilipinas yung weather kahapon sobrang init. Pang LS, ngayon, computer. Try ko lang, hindi ako marunong. Trinay ko lang, tawag dito, nabubulol ako sa Tagalog. Trinay ko lang kasi bihira talaga akong mag-LS. Minsan, nag-LS ako sa cellphone lang. So ngayon, trinay ko mag-LS sa computer. Okay naman pala. Kasi pag nag-LS ako sa phone, kailangan naka-charge siya. While naka-LS ako kasi malobat ba? So, trinay ko dito sa computer mag-LS ngayon. Bihira na ako mag-LS. Oo, direct ata kasi clinic ko lang yung yung live stream sa channel ko. And then, direct na siya dito. Na-direct na siya sa YT Studio, ganun. Kasi nakita ko YT Studio yung nakalagay dito sa ko eh, sa live stream ko eh. Pero clinic ko yung live stream sa channel ko. Ang galing naman ni Maridha, na siya, ang bilis niyang makakuha ng ng 1K. Congratulations. Ngayon ang hahabulin niya na lang yung yung tawag dito, yung watch hours. Sabihan mo siya mag-upload ng video, and pwede rin siyang mag-try ng live stream, mabilis makahatak ng watch hours yung live stream. Kahit 1 oras ganun. Yung mag-live stream lang like isang beses sa isang araw, 2 beses. Wala lang kasi akong time tawag dito, mag-live stream. Busy. May pasok. May trabaho. So, ayun. Teka, naku-confuse ako dito. Can you look at this? I'm confused about, I'm sorry. The camera. What does that mean? This message is held for review. I'm confused. What does that mean?
Oh, you're being moderator.
What is a moderator?
You get to decide if messages are shown or not.
Oh, does that mean like that? It's not gonna hurt my channel or something?
I think it just doesn't know what it is. Like, it's not normal English words, and it's probably programmed just for English. So click show if you have no problem with it. Although you probably want to start at the top.
On the top?
Yeah.
Where?
Right there, first one.
See?
Yeah, I know. Keep clicking show.
Oh, really?
Don't worry, you won't have to do it forever. Let's just get rid of those.
I know.
Don't get rid of the last one though.
Why?
We want to check for options.
Oh, okay. So this is the last one.
Maybe. Okay, it is.
We're learning here, guys. We're
Yeah.
learning.
Oh, I can't see with that camera in the way.
Not ring light though. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so that's all negative stuff, which you don't want to do.
Is it fixed?
Every message, it might give you more for her.
Oh, really?
You probably got some chat options.
I don't know. Maybe here?
No, it's probably over there.
On
See
the
the
top?
3 dots to the right of live chat?
Oh, this one. What's that mean?
I don't think that's going to do anything. I don't know. I might have to look it up.
Can I use my computer and can I camera and hook up on my computer?
Only if you go buy a $250 card.
Shoot,
Because that's how much they're costing right now.
Wow, that's really expensive.
Actually,
$250.
your camera might support something. Your newest one.
Which are the newest one?
Yeah, you might be able to connect through USB. It does have a connect to computer option, but I've not looked into it.
My camera is downstairs. It's on the couch.
Yeah, your current camera sucks.
Why?
Because it's fuzzy.
Oh, this one.
Yeah.
I'm using this one.
I know.
The Logitech camera
Is
for
it dusty?
I don't know.
Looks like a little worse than normal film grain.
I think it's better. My phone using to live stream, but I have to
Maybe.
unplug. But I have to unplug
Let's try
the.
cleaning it.
Sorry,
Enjoy the
guys.
sound.
We're just cleaning it. Okay. It doesn't change at all.
No, actually, it does look a little better. I
Oh,
think it
really?
had dust.
Oh, okay. This was. It's just sitting like on the top of my monitor for a long time.
Yeah, like 2 years. Which is
Yep.
why I thought it might need cleaned.
Yeah. Oh, what? That's a long time. 2 years. Might be dust. It's a little bit better though. I need a little ring light though, that I can set it here.
You have a giant one. Isn't that good enough?
No, there's no way to put it in here on the front of my desk.
I'll get you a light.
That's too big. I'm gonna do a ow, it slipped my hands. That went downstairs though. So let's see. What if I try to do live stream like for the rest of the day? I don't know what's gonna happen. It's gonna help me. Maybe it's gonna help me a lot. I don't know. Sel, nandyan ka pa? What did you got? A flashlight?
Uh-huh. Watch.
Oh, really? Oh, that's a little bit better.
But just remember, that thing will get so hot it'll burn you.
Oh, really? So don't put it on the top of my...
Metal computer, it's fine. That's metal.
Okay.
Just don't touch the gray part.
Okay. Don't touch the gray part. Oh, they have a little handle. Okay. A little bit better, though. There.
Yeah, if you could aim it up here, that'd be the best.
Oh, yeah. Look, it's a little bit better.
Here you go. Don't let it fall.
Regards.
No.
Oh, regards, though. We're learning here, over here. What are you doing? Oh, not too bad. Say hi
Hi.
before you leave. No. Where are you going?
To get my coffee and play my games.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna stay a little bit like live stream here for a little bit. I ruined my nails. It's bad.
Don't do that.
Patayin ko na to. Ito, cute naman ito. Yung ring light na ganito, ang liwanag. Teka, patayin ko muna siya. Yung ganito, oh. Ito yung ginagamit ko kanina. So, medyo, madilim pa rin. Parang madilim pa rin. On natin. Ganito yung on niya pag inon. Cute na small, siya, ring lights. Ito yung ginagamit ko pag nagla-live stream ako. Try natin. Yun, maliwanag. Sobrang liwanag naman. Sa cellphone lang, tuman eh. Oh, maliwanag na. Sa cellphone lang naman yung ganito. Yung, i-clip mo siya sa phone mo ganyan. Baliktad. Di ba, ito yung harap ng cellphone mo, yung ganito. Oh, cute! Ay, I dropped it. Cute siya. Maliba lang naman kanina. Kasi nilagay ko nga to dito, oh, yung ring light to. Ganyan. Yun. Medyo maliwanag na. Taran! Ayan, okay na siya. Medyo maliwanag na. Medyo tagalan ko yung live stream ko ngayon. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Alas 12 na. 12:05 ng hapon. Anong oras na dyan, Sel, sa sa inyo? Gabi na? Flashlight yung ginamit. Naloka naman ako kay Dan. Ano kaya mayari pag 2 oras, 3 hours yung ko? Yung live stream ko. Ano na pala dyan? Gabi na? Gising ka pa? Alas 10 na pala dyan. Ano dito eh, alas 12 ng hapon. Kagigising ko lang, wala akong pasok ngayon. So, trinay ko mag-live stream. Wala, nawala yung ilaw ko. Matulog ka na. Thank you pala sa bisita. Try lang ako mag-live stream. Tingnan ko kung mabilis itong makahatak ng watch hours. Try ko lang. Wala namang pasok eh. Tsaka, wala naman problema sa tawag dito. Wala namang problema sa internet eh. Gamitin natin yung internet na mabilis. Sayang din naman ang binabayad. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Sel. Oy, gusto ko lang tawag dito. Hindi naman talaga ako nagla-live stream kasi tinatamad ako. Parang nabuboring akong mag-live stream ba kasi wala namang ginagawa. Saka minsan walang pumupunta ba. So mabilis maka-boring ba. So bumabawi na lang ako sa tawag dito sa mga video. video, ganun. Okay, ingat ka rin. Good night. Thank you so much sa pagpunta. Thank you so much. Mag-stay ulit ako ng medyo matagal-tagal para meron na akong six nandito. Oo, tama. Tama ka nga, tingnan mo, natututo ka na rin. Ganito nga sa una, kaya minsan yung ibang nagla-livestream, tagal talaga siya. Naiinip lang ako mabilis akong mainip ba? Mabilis akong mainip. Bye! Thank you! So, tagal-tagalan ko muna yung ko. Live stream ko para Ow! Tawag dito. Medyo marami-rami yung natin. Ma-reach na Oops! Ang gulo. Hindi ko makita. Ito na lang kaya. Ang gulo, ang kalat ng kailangan kong maglinis ngayon. Day ako ngayon. Maglilinis ako ngayon. Kasi maraming gagawin ngayon. Ang dami kong lilinisin dito sa Mag-stop ako ng mga Tagalang pa siya. Para marami tayong viewer. Okay naman pala dito Hindi siya, hindi mabagal yung live stream. Okay, while I'm doing live stream, I'm gonna do clean up the room. Um, I'm gonna start with the bed, fix the bed. I wanna do laundry today. I still have laundry that I haven't finished. Like I did those laundry like 2 days ago. It's still on the dryer. I'm lazy. So I'm gonna start cleaning this room first and then I'm gonna do laundry soap. But oh, I have 7. 8. Yay! Thank you so much for 8 people. Oh, 7. Pay attention to that. Hi, Peter Let Lausen. Hello. Thank you so much for tuning in on my live stream. Hello. Peter, how did you pronounce your name? Pierre Let Lausen? Is that right? Is that right? You have a long name. Pierre Let. Thank you so much, Pierre Let Larsen. I can say it right. I don't know if I say it right or read it right. But anyways, thank you so much for tuning in on my live stream. I just like trying to learn how to do live stream on my monitor or my computer right now. Where are you from, Peter Let Larsen? But anyways, thank you so much for tuning in. I know a little bit English. I'm still learning how to speak in English. Not very good yet in English, but I can talk a little bit. Got 6 viewers. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's see. Oops. I'm gonna start cleaning on my desk right now. It's bad. It's messy. It's everywhere. So pulling my and stuff. A messy. That goes over there. I need to charge another extra battery. And this one, power bank. Oh, it's charging anyways. That's good. Let's charge that. I got nails in my computer desk. I don't know why. We got thread. What else we got in here? We got letters. We got tripod. It's messy over here. Because I got tripod. A lot. I really need to start cleaning my desk. Sometimes I don't have time. When I got home, I'm tired. I just want to relax and rest after work. So I really don't have time to do some other stuff like cleaning my desk or anything else. I want a container. And I don't know what are these. Oh, this is the exercise band. I haven't tried it yet, but I will have to try it. It's like stretchy. It's a rubber band. And also, I got a lot. Like, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the stretchy exercise band. These kind. This one. So I have to play with it for my legs. Legs exercise. So I'm trying to start cleaning on my desk. It's so dusty over here. Oh, really dusty. Put that razor blade. I have razor blade on my desk. I don't know what I use for, but I do have a razor blade on my desk. This type. Oh, that's scary. It's open. This type. I don't know how I have a razor blade on my desk. And I got nails. I don't know why. Oh, I remember now how I use these nails. I play with my background. I decorate my background. So I put nails all over the walls. The wall. And I got this command hook. I really need the organizer, plastic container, something like that, so that I can organize my stuff, which is I don't have time right now. What is this? Oh, and I got these, I don't know, how do you call this? Like, what is this? I forgot how do you call it. Like, you put your medicine or vitamins, like they have Sunday, Monday to Saturday, Friday, Monday to Sunday. Pills organizer, whatever you call that. So I really need to clean stuff. Okay, I'm gonna start cleaning. I'm going to start cleaning. Let's put my phone. I'm gonna start cleaning on the bed, maybe. I got 4. Ooh, what time is it? Oh, it's almost close at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm gonna go start cleaning there. Those are messy. Those are my you call it makeup cabinet, but I haven't cleaned it yet. It's a messy and everywhere. Maybe I'm gonna start cleaning that while I'm doing live stream, waiting for everybody. Okay, I'm gonna start cleaning these. It's not supposed to be there. These are trash. These are trash. No, maybe I can use this one. I don't know. I don't know how to open these. Trying to open these. Maybe my other card kept it here. Oh, it does. So okay, I can't. I'm trying to figure out how to open this because I want to put my extra SD card that I'm not using right now. This cute small container, but I don't know how to open it. I'm trying to open it. It's hard to open. Oh, there you go. I did open it. So these are the extra SD card that I have on my desk. So I'm trying to like clean my desk right now. I still have more SD card over here. But this type of SD card and this one too. I don't know how many. We got so many SD card. 128. Oh, I have to clear that. 128. This one is empty. They're both empty. I need to clear this up. We'll see, this one is getting close. We'll see that one close. Oh, it does close. That's perfect. Awesome. Yeah, it is closed. Yay. So, I put all my extra SD card on the plastic. And next, I don't know what is this for. I'm not sure. I have to keep this one. This is for the top of my camera. So I really want to keep this something. Maybe here. I got another extra plastic that I can use for something else. I don't get it. It's hard to open. Oh, there you go. You have to push it really hard. So you got these. Let's put it in here. Just in case I'm not gonna lose it. There you go. That's a nice container. And I need to tie my hair. Okay. Next. I need to clean the other stuff. This needs to go down. This one. See, I got 2 water bottles on my desk. Just in case I have to take that. I just have to take that to the back. It looks clean over here. Let's do these. Oh, I got 5 viewers. Hello. Oops. I'm gonna clean my I'm cleaning my mouse. Start cleaning, and by the way, I'm using the, what do you call this? I don't know. I'm supposed to be wipe it with wet antibacterial wipes, but I'm doing it. Sanitize my what do you call it? My mouse, and start cleaning my desk and my keyboard. Mouse pad. And this, here's the keyboard, guys. I'm gonna wash, clean all my things, and start wiping this mouse. Oh, it's hot. Just wiping these, cleaning all the mess. What's that for? So, cleaning these. What's good enough? Now I have to clean my desk. It's super dusty. Oh. Oops, sorry. Cleaning the ooh, on the camera that I can put. I can put that there. That. I have to charge that. Over here. There you go. That is fine. So now my desk is clean. It's really clean. Let's see. Gosh. My lotion. It's supposed to be right here. On the top of my desk too. This computer. I have to clean this one too. Oops. Sorry about that. Put this little here. Yay, it's clean. Super clean. Again, Can I hear? I'm checking the audio. Okay, it's fine. Thought it's something wrong. We're gonna do a live stream for the rest of the day. What is gonna happen? I'm just like curious what's gonna happen if I do a longer live stream. Maybe like 5 hours, 4 hours. We'll see. Start cleaning. Start cleaning. Why? Oh, what happened?